Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is India Wise and welcome. I'm finally back with another video. I know it's been quite a while, but I did have a lot of family stuff going on, and I also moved, so that was really exciting. But yeah, so it's been a while since I filmed a video, but I wanted to get back to it, so we're here. For today's video, it's not gonna be me doing makeup. Actually, I do have another video planned, which is gonna be mask proof makeup, and I think you guys are pretty much enjoy that. I think. Tell me if you guys would want that. Basically, it's just going to be a video on how I apply my makeup when I am wearing a mask, because the mask can tend to take off your makeup. So I have found a way that the mask won't take off your makeup. So if you guys would like to see that video, please leave me a comment down below. And yeah. But for today's video, we are going to do a Boxy charm unboxing. I got one Boxy charm, I believe, in July, and then I got one for this month, the month of August. So I wanted to open them with you guys. Boxy charm is a monthly subscription, so you pay every month and you get a box. You receive this box in the mail. There's different ones you can actually get. You don't have to get just the regular. You can get the Luxe, I believe, and then there's another one. I got the Luxe for the month of August, but I got the regular one for the month of July. So yeah, so like I said, it's a monthly subscription. So basically you pay every month and you receive like some really nice makeup. I actually really enjoy it because you get things that you probably wouldn't go in the store and buy, and you find hidden gems. So I wanted to open both of these with you guys today. So yeah, let me get some scissors, and we're gonna open this one first. And actually gonna, okay, so when you open the box, I kind of ripped it. When you open the box, it looks just like this. And yeah, so you get like a few things in there, and when you get when you want to get Boxy charm, you take a test basically that just like tests you on all the things that you love. So you can get skincare, you can get makeup, you can get whatever you want. You just tell the little test or quiz thing what you really love and what you don't love, and you will get like exactly what you like basically. First thing in the box was this color switch. It's called Quick Color Switch Dry Makeup Brush Cleaner. So I've seen these actually, and I've always wanted to try them. This is from Lavish, I believe. And basically what you do is like, I just want to see it. When you want to switch like eyeshadows, you can like rub it on there. Let's try it. Okay, so I have this Morphe brush here. I'm gonna see if this works. Oh my god. It doesn't look like all the way clean, but like it cleaned off so much of it. Like, I know it doesn't look like it, but in person, like there was so much eyeshadow on here at first. That is strange. And the next item was Grace and Stella. It's an energy drink for your eyes. Oh, so it's an eye mask. And I'm excited for this. I do have under eye bags, so this is something like, these are kind of things that I love. But that's what I'm saying, you take that quiz and it just, they know what to send you. Like, they do. So, I could get it open. So when you open it up, oh, so it comes with like, how many is in this box? 12 pairs. That's really nice. And they're like the ones that are like kind of rubbery. Well, this is so cool. So you put it on for like 15 to 20 minutes and it's supposed to help with your under eye bags and moisture for your under eyes. Okay. Definitely gonna test that out. And then for the next product, we got a Ciate London Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. And then you open it up. This is what it looks like when you open the bottle up. I'm scared to spray this. Oh, it smells like coconuts. Okay, I don't think I like the sprayer, but I do really love... Hold on one second. My cousin is calling me. Hello? You said what?
I just woke up.
Oh, okay. So what time do you want me to pick you up? Don't interrupt my video. As I was saying is I like the smell of this spray, but I don't like the way it like sprays. Like it's really intense when it sprays. So if you do get that, that's the only thing. But the smell of it is, I really love it. I love coconut scented things. So for the next product, 111 Skin. It's a pollution defense booster. So let's see what this is supposed to do. This is what it looks like. It says providing multi-action protection against pollutants. So it's just supposed to be a safeguard for skin. So like there's pollution in the air and stuff, so there's products that can help make sure that your skin won't, you know, break out because of it and can be protected because of it. So this looks really cool. Excited to try this out. So it's a little dropper. Oh, that's cute. A little dropper. Oh, it doesn't smell like anything. Interesting. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna test this out. And then the last product in the first box is gonna be this. This is a palette. Okay, so this is from Pure. This is their festival palette. Let's open up and see what it looks like. Alright, so this is what the packaging looks like. It's very pretty. Very pretty. Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty. Okay. I can't even get it open. Alright, so this is what the palette looks like when you open it up. That is so pretty. I'll swatch a few of the shades. Okay, so these are some of them swatched. They look very pretty. I don't know about the shimmers yet, but the mattes look pretty promising. So I cannot wait to test that out. Alright, so let's move on to the next box. This is the next box. Because I moved, I had a lot of things going everywhere, so it looks a little messy, but this is the next box. Alright, so to the first product. This is Trestique, I believe the brand is called. This is their Summer Glow and Go. Okay, so on the back it says, we got Summer Glow covered with our Summer Glow Plus Go set. This mini set features our best selling shades in our highlight stick, brow pencil, blush stick, and shadow crayon. Okay, so they're all used for different things. And on the back it says mini highlighting stick, mini blush stick, mini shadow stick, and then the mini brow. So these are all supposed to like, I guess this is so for travel. So I guess this one's for the highlighter, blush. I'm assuming this would be the eyeshadow one, and then the brow. Probably wouldn't use it, but I can always test it out. All right, next product is from Dr. Brandt. Ooh, I love this. This is the Pore Purifying Cleanser. It's so pretty. I like the packaging. No, you can't even smell it. Okay, it's not open, but this is it. It says on the back to apply on damp skin. So you can use this in the morning or at night. It says it's for oily and combination skin. So I actually have dry skin. Sometimes it can be combination, but it says it's for oily. So, well, I'm gonna test it out and see, you know, how it goes. But they did put that on the back. Alright, and then the next thing is from Milk. This is their Kush Fiber Brow Gel. This is what it looks like. And let's open it up. Oh, this looks nice. This is in shade Dutch. So this is, I've seen people use this before. So it like goes on your brows and stuff. All right, definitely gonna test that out. And then next product is, I believe it's called Aesthetica. I might be saying a lot of this stuff wrong, and that's so sad. This is a bronzer. So let's open it up and see. It's gonna be pretty light for me, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see. All right, and then the last product is this is from Elizabeth Mott. This is their eyeshadow primer, and on the front it says "Thank me later." Okay. Oh, okay. So it looks like this, and it's supposed to be an eyeshadow primer. Let's open it up. It's on the back of my hand. Oh, so it's pretty thick. Doesn't really smell like much, but I'm not big on the eyeshadow primer thing. I use concealer and it works really well, but I definitely test it out. But that was the last product, and that was it for the Boxy Charm unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.